instead of me getting the Tello EDU, I decided to just stick with my Tello, my gold old Tello. The reason why I did that, because apparently for the price that you're getting, you can actually buy this portable charger to go, and also a Wi-Fi repeater. And the reason why I'm saying that, because is the fact that for the price you can get that, and now this is on sale, and they even have deals with this that you can buy controllers, and then you can actually get 3 extra batteries, you know, for your Tello drone. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to it. And there's a lot of things that I can do though. If you guys go to, I got this at Amazon for like $4, I think, or I forgot how much I got it for. I'll give you guys the link. And this is what I got. And you can actually get something like this, and then you can just go ahead, change up your they call this cover frame for your Tello. And yeah, and that's it, man. And if it's perfect, it still say Tello on it. It might not say EDU whatever, but I mean, you guys see my video and you guys already seen what this guy can do. So I did, you know, upgrade it to this case. But one drawback about having this is the fact that if you drop this in the, for instance, you drop it in the swimming pool, or you drop it in your lake, or you drop it to, you're flying in the dark environment, or you're just flying it by the woods or anything like that. The drawback about it is if you crash this drone, this Tello, it's gonna be harder to find because of this color. You know, it's gonna be harder to see. Imagine how small this drone already is. So this white cover is actually gonna help you to find your Tello, just in case that we don't have no signals, or if you crash it, you don't have a beeping sound or any warrant for a GPS or anything like that. So, I mean, I know you're not gonna, you know, you're not gonna lose it far away or fly away, stuff like that. Hopefully not. But just in case you know, you decided to just want to do some quick turn or quick tricks and you hit something, by having this collar is gonna be harder to see. Just like if you lost these props on top of tall grass, you're never going to find it. I mean, I don't know if you can find it. But anyway, that's the only upgrade that I did. It seems cool. I think it's, you know, it's gonna get more people that are into like musical and stuff like that, and they can create their own, or DJ or anything like that. I think it'd be really cool to have a bunch of these, like 100 of these, and put lights on them, and then we can do tricks or anything like that. But each one of these, remember, each one of this is almost like $100. So if you're gonna make cool stuff, like, you know, you're gonna need like at least 10 or 5 of these, and you're gonna spend about $500 to $1,000 on this little tiny Tello drones here. But like I said, it's really good, but I'm still want the developers to come up with stuff. Like, I don't get it. Microsoft and I call this DJI needs to come out, or Ryze company need to come out with the tracking on this drone. It would be really awesome, especially when the prices go low and you can get more batteries, more fun. And I've been having this for how many months, and I'm still enjoying it, man. Since I got this at March of wow, and now it's already what, November, gonna be November, December soon. So like I said, it's still fun, especially for, you know, people don't know how to, I'm not saying fly drones, it's just the way of doing it, because there's a lot of cheap drones out there in the market that actually hovers or anything like that, but it's not gonna same with Tello. And this is the reason why a lot of companies trying to compete with this guy. But it's still, you know, you might, you know, the flight, the easy of use, the portability, the build on this Tello is like never been done in other drones before. If you guys seen my video, you guys go check it out. I put this guy to extreme environment. You're talking about the big drones can even handle like 40 miles an hour wind. And also I've flown this in hurricane condition. This guy right here is actually flown in rain environments. I did not flown in snow because apparently I live in Florida, but this guy went through flying on top of fire. It can carry a marshmallow. It can carry a there's a lot of things you can do. It's being creative. And not only that, is you can also share with your family, and you can also take nice photo, video, and that's about it, man. So anyway, yeah, go ahead and check it out. You can get it now. You can get it for cheap. But I'm just hoping that you know, Ryze come up with stuff like, you know, the developers, because this is the way to go. I mean, if they can come up with new apps for this drone, it'd be really awesome. And instead of other companies making some cheap drones, they can just come up with the new app for this Tello drone. Like for instance, it had, I don't know if Dji, I don't know if you guys heard of a Dji company. What they do is another app for DJI for big drones. So if you've flown the Phantom 4, the Phantom 3s, Inspire 1, Mavics, any of those drones, Dji has an app for it also that can do almost the same thing with DJI, but differently. Like they have waypoint, they have a bunch of different things that you can do. But hopefully they can come up with stuff like that too, because the reason why I'm saying that, because this is a drone, it's not much, you know, if Dji gonna mess around with their apps, especially with DJI expensive drones, I will not take that risk. I mean, this is Tello. I mean, I think they should make it. They should make some cool apps. I think more people is gonna be more buying the app if the app is great. But anyway, this is my new upgrade that I just did. But everything else still the same since I had it the first time. And you can see here. And for the price right now, when you think about it, you can buy a Wi-Fi extender with 3 extra batteries, and also this portable to go, you know, how you call this? Portable charger to go, and you can charge your Tello while you're at the field. Anyway, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just showing you guys what I got and showing you guys my thought of the new Tello EDU. I think it's good, and I want to see more to it. Okay, thank you.